Hi, Deirdre here. We're going to do the links wage rate sheet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at how this sheet works. So we've got a minimum wage down here. It's $9.25 at the moment, and that's 100%. And then there are three different training rates, varying from 75% of the minimum wage to 80% to a 90% of the minimum wage. So we're going to sort of work out then how we'll calculate those. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to name this one down here. So we'll select cell B17 and we'll right mouse click and define name. It's coming up automatically as minimum wage. That's perfect. It put in the underscores because you can't have any spaces in a name. That's perfect and okay. So to calculate the training wage one, it's going to be 75% here multiplied by the 925 or the minimum wage. So I'm going to go equals the 75% star, which is your multiplied by sign, and then the minimum wage. And you can see it goes in as the name here, so it's equals C2 multiplied by the minimum wage. That's perfect, and 6.94. So that's perfect. Now we'll name this. So we'll right mouse click and define name, and we'll call it, it automatically picked up the name. That's fine. Training one wage rate. That's lovely. So in here we'll say equals the 9.25, which is the minimum wage, multiplied by the percentage. Now it's not picking it up, but the C7 and press enter. So it's 740. So then right mouse click and define name. It's automatically picking up the name because it's over in the cell over here. That's perfect and okay. So again, equals, and it's going to be the 90% multiplied by the minimum wage rate. Perfect, and press enter. And then we define that name. Okay, it's got the right name. If it didn't come up automatically, you could just type it in here, but just remember not to put in any spaces in the name, and that's okay. Okay. So we've got all of those in. Now we're actually going to use these rates. So let's go to the next sheet.